Hi, my name's Jonathan Simpson. I am a business management degree apprentice at Airbus, studying an applied business management degree. I wanted to study the course because it came as part of the package in my degree apprenticeship at Airbus, and I understood that getting a degree would be able to give me the foundations to be able to succeed in my apprenticeship. It's helped me in my career so far because it's given me the foundations to build off many of the knowledge that I've built to be able to apply it into the workplace, including leadership and so forth. I think one of the biggest courses that's given me a massive benefit is project management. Throughout my placements with my apprenticeship, there's been many placements where I've had major projects that I've had to work on. Gaining the foundations and key skills for project management's been a massive influence into the business. I've enjoyed how much more relaxed it is to A-levels and the array of topics that we cover in class. My hope for the future is to be able to go into a management position and be able to make a difference. I would advise people to do a degree that correlates to what you wish to do in the future.